Hey everyone, there are two ways to find a section ID on Squarespace, the quick way using a Chrome extension, and the manual way using your browser's inspect tool. The extension is way faster, but I'll show you both so you've got options. Method 1, the Chrome extension. First, open Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. Type Squarespace ID Finder into the search bar, then click Add to Chrome and click Add Extension to confirm. Once that's installed, click the puzzle piece icon in the upper right of your browser window. Scroll down until you see Squarespace ID Finder, then click the little pin icon so it turns blue. This keeps it visible in your toolbar. Now navigate to any page on your Squarespace site. Once you're there, click the Squarespace ID Finder icon at the top of your browser window. This brings up all the IDs for your page. You'll see blue overlays for sections, red for blocks, and yellow for collections. Click on the section ID you want to target. That automatically copies it to your clipboard. It's a string of random numbers that Squarespace uses as a unique identifier for that section. Now it's ready to paste wherever you need it. If you're not using Chrome or you don't want to install an extension, here's the manual method. Navigate to the page with the section you need. Right-click anywhere inside that section and select Inspect. This opens your browser's developer tools. In the code panel, look for a div tag that contains the attribute data-section-id. The value inside the quotation marks is your section ID. If you don't see it immediately, explore the surrounding elements. Some templates use wrapper elements, so you might need to expand a few tags to find it. Once you've got the ID, you can paste it into your custom CSS box to target that specific section with styling code, or use it with JavaScript for more advanced customizations. Keep in mind that section IDs are a Squarespace 7.1 feature, so if you're on an older 7.0 site, you'll only see block and collection IDs, not section IDs. That's how to find a section ID on Squarespace. Thanks for watching.